Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I sleep with my long curly hair. I realized I did this video maybe like 2 years ago. Not much has changed since that video, but I thought I was definitely due for one because you guys were asking for one and I'm like, I have one, but it's been a really long time. So I decided to share that with you guys today. This is roughly how long my natural hair is. So traditional ways like a pineapple and stuff does not work for my hair at all. So I'm going to share with you guys what works for my hair. So whether this is for your daughter or for yourself or for anybody, a friend, please share this video if you find it helpful, because this is something that I learned on my own. No one showed me. So I think it's important that we share if you know anybody who might need this information. Okay. First thing though I need to share is I normally will leave my hair curly for a week. So normally it'll depend, obviously, either from 4 days to a week, but obviously I'm not washing my hair every day, so I need to maintain my hair throughout the week, because if I just sleep with my hair down like this, it's going to be really frizzy in the morning. I'm going to lose all of the definition that my products have given me. I'm going to lose all of that. My hair gets tangled. It definitely just becomes so much more of a mess. So for me, sleeping with my hair down is not an option. Obviously sleeping with a pineapple does not work on longer hair. I know that's what a lot of curly girls do. If you don't know, a pineapple is if you put a ponytail at the top of your head and it's supposed to look like a pineapple. That's why we call it a pineapple. So I do a different version of that, and that's where I am going to start. So I have found that finding a good rubber band is key. Something that's going to stay in your hair all night. I will link in the description box where I got this one. I got this one sent to me, but I've actually been using it a lot. I like it a lot because it is textured. It doesn't slide out of my hair. Although there's a bead at the end of this, and I find my hair gets stuck on this bead once in a while, because you're actually supposed to be able to like pull the bead down to make it tighter, to make the rubber band tighter, but I usually just leave it like this. I don't really need to adjust it, but finding a good rubber band is key. The regular circular ones you get at the drugstore slide down my hair, and I don't like to obviously wear my hair tight at night, so this has just been my little saving grace. Well, I do pineapple my hair, so literally what that means for me is I will just pull all of my hair to the front like this. There's no magic going on here. I literally am just pulling all of my hair to the front like this. Okay. I personally pull it as close to my hairline as is comfortable for me. And then I'm just gonna I put my hair tie around once. That's just what I do for the size and the thickness of my hair. It works really well. And because this texture doesn't move, so. Okay, so I know other girls have really cute pineapples at the top of their head, but this is what mine looks like. So this is what it looks like, literally. Just a hair tie at the top of my hair. The reason why I do this is because all of my hair really is protected this way. If I did a low ponytail, it would stretch out the top of my hair, and I don't want that. I would rather stretch out the bottom of my hair if it does stretch out. So that's why the pineapple is the easiest method if you don't want to wash your hair and you want to preserve your curls. So the next thing that I have to share is this is where my routine varies. It changes up a lot, so I'm gonna just do the ugly one first. So I can't even say that I 100% recommend this anymore, because this has stretched out a lot, but I still use it every night, and that is a sassy cap. It is a elongated bonnet, basically. I know you guys have shared with me that there's other places where you can get something similar. I have never tried them, so that's why I can only say that this one works. And because although it may not be as functional as it once was, it still definitely works for my hair. So I will leave links to everything down below if you guys want to check them out, but don't feel obligated. So basically what I do, and this is what I do more often than not, this right here. So I put the bonnet on like this, and then I'm able to put my hair in the cap like this. And this is literally what it looks like. All of my hair is pretty much protected, and I literally will sleep on my pillow like this. And literally it's not attractive, it's not cute, it looks ugly, I'm well aware of that. But this works for my hair, it protects my hair. All of my hair is protected, my ends are protected, like the back of my head is protected. It literally all is protected. So this normally is my go-to. Usually if I wake up in the morning and I go to the bathroom, I just put my hair in the back like this, go to the bathroom, go do my business, then I come back in my bed and I lay down and I sleep like this. And it stays on pretty much all night, even though this is extremely stretched out now. It pretty much will stay on. I used to bobby pin it, but I find that it actually does stay on, and I'm not a wild sleeper, so that's probably why too. So what the next thing is, I will shamelessly leave this on because this is literally what I do, you guys, like no lie. One thing is I do sleep on a pillowcase, but I don't sleep on a regular pillowcase. I sleep on a satin pillowcase. So just as this is satin, this is satin. I actually grabbed this at the dollar store, so I would check your local Dollar Tree if you have one. That's where I bought this. It has a zipper, so you're able to put it onto any pillowcase that you have. So it's really easy. This will protect your curls as well, because basically really cotton can be damaging to your hair. It absorbs the moisture out of your hair and obviously creates that friction and that frizz, where the satin literally will just slide and it's not going to ruin your curls. So normally what I do is I sleep on a satin pillowcase like this. This is normally how it goes for me, literally. So I would totally recommend a satin pillowcase. They don't have to be expensive. And this is off because I literally just washed it, so they're easy to wash and everything. So next I'm going to share with you guys the other thing that I will do, and it might be a little bit of an easier option and maybe a little bit of a cuter option for some of you. So my next option is normally, now I wouldn't even recommend this because I find doing this will stretch my curls out and I don't want that. I like my curls to look really defined. Doing this can kind of crush your curls and they'll look crushed after a while. So I'm not too much of a fan because I will lose my curls. So what I do is a messy bun, and I can just put the rubber band across it once and it'll stay. It'll stay really, really well. I don't have any problems again with this rubber band. Keeps all my hair in. And what else I'll do is if you have a satin scarf. I need to apologize for the pink. When I was grabbing all my materials, I realized how much pink, but whatever. I love pink. So get a silk satiny scarf. You can find these like literally everywhere. Just make sure it's that soft satin material so it's not going to damage your hair or anything. And what I do is I will fold it, like so you had it in a little triangle, right? So I had it like this. So I literally fold it down a little bit like this. So it's kind of like a long rectangle. And what I do is I will put it around the nape of my neck like this. Whew. And then tie it up here at the top. So that nape of my neck is protected. Like this. So then the nape of my neck is protected, because that's normally where I will get damage and I will get breakage. Definitely is always the back of my neck, so that will protect my neck. And then what I do is then from here I'll sleep on my satin pillowcase. So this is a lot more of a prettier way, but I'm not a fan only because it will crush my curls. So, and also the reason why too is if I sleep with this will, like the satin, the bonnet, it'll like keep my hair all at the top of my head, because literally if I were to do a pineapple with just this, if I were to sleep with a pineapple, I will end up sleeping on my curls, and this will crush my curls, and I don't like that. I don't like my curls to be crushed. I like literally my curls to be pampered and sleep like ideally like this above me, so that I don't sleep on them and they aren't crushed and they stay completely intact. Because when I sleep on my curls, they will, one, become straighter, they won't be as curly, and then I lose my curl definition. So I'm not a fan of that. So that is literally how I sleep with my curly hair, especially if you want to have longer hair. One of the main things you need to do is retain your length. So in order to do that, you need to learn how to protect your curls, and protecting them against cotton is something that I have been talking about a lot here on my channel lately, but it can actually cause some breakage and some damage to your curls. So it is important to learn how to sleep with your curls to protect them while you're sleeping. But if you guys have any other suggestions on how to sleep with long curly hair, please let me know. I know you guys had suggestions a long time ago when I did it, but I wasn't able to find any other elongated bonnets. I only looked on Amazon though. But if you guys have any other suggestions, please share and let us know. Also, please share this video to somebody who you think might find it useful. And let me know if you guys have any other video suggestions. At 9 a.m. a new video goes up Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. So if you guys have any other suggestions, please let me know. I was definitely happy to do this video. It was long overdue. And if you guys have any other questions, do not hesitate to ask me. I am always reading my comments, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.